Okay, I like to cover things in Montreal show that you don't see as much in the US. Hearken Audio is dealer up here. Usually has some cool stuff. Got the Reed Tonearm, Reed turntable. This time they have the Garage. Bird of Prey. This is the Tonearm I would get if I got a turntable.
Everything's in my Gino as far as free.
And cartridges.
And cartridges too, yes.
The big Tonearm that's playing, what is it?
That's a Bird of Prey Tonearm.
Hey, buddy.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, pal. How are you?
I heard the Bird of Prey and I knew exactly where to go.
This one.
Hey, how's it going?
He's got to buy a turntable first.
I gotta get the turntable first, but I already know the Tonearm.
Fremer just put one.
This one's already loaded on.
He's going to review it. He just put
Oh,
it
he just put it.
$350,000
Wilson Benesh. Oh, that's gonna be awesome.
Yeah. Which is by far the best piece of audio gear I've ever heard.
Oh, it made some of his other turntables sound broke.
It blew away the OMA.
I know.
Blew it away. So superb.
I was able to hear it in her home. He had both of them.
Our recording that we made together, the Rufus Reed Presents Kane Cardello, we listened with the OMA and a $20,000 audio exact cartridge and a SAT arm, and it was good, great. But then we switched to the Wilson Benesh.
Night and day.
We were actually at the recording that we were at when we decided to make it.
Yeah, that's the best turntable. Yeah.
By far.
This is the Bird of Prey Tonearm I'm gonna get. First of all, it's got the most badass name. For those that are Star Trek fans.
We're back. I got the K50.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, good for you.
I used that other cable, but that's not the usual.
This is the DAC, right?
Cinnamon DAC, Gala DAC, yep.
Very unique.
Someone asked me what's this for? I said it's to put your candy in your sweets.
Your keys in it.
Keys and candy, okay, yeah.
No. These are the Bastani speakers from Germany. And 15-inch horn bi-amp.
Bi-amp.
Yeah, I woke up my number to dream, oh Lord. That's why I'm singing this old lonesome song.
I got a K50. Matt, I got a K50. I love that record. K50 server and player.
Go to the player.
Yeah. Oh no, now I
I don't care when you go along. I don't care how long you stay. Get a whole good time too.
Except I don't have internet now.
They bring you on back home one day.
I've been up since 5:30, 5 o'clock. Spend the final. Sounding great, man. Having the network in the system, I would just there's no yeah, they do versions. There's no open mouth.
So this is a really cool DAC chassis. They're already two of the coolest things you're gonna see in the hobby. This DAC chassis, it's a Cinnamon, and then that Tonearm.
Digital output was off.
Okay.